Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Prison Fam. This year I decided to do homeschooling for my kids with K-12 virtual online learning. So I'm going to get right to the video. I already did open the boxes only because I did show my kids their stuff without recording, because they'll be like, oh, I want to see, but then they're just like, oh, this is just books and stuff, and they're just like, I don't want to do it, and they'll just be like, so I just want to go ahead and open all of them when they wanted to see their stuff. And then right now I wanted to do a video of showing y'all what they got, because I know some people want to see the stuff that they got. So yeah, let's get right to the video, guys. This may not be a very great video, only because it has been a whole minute since I recorded. It's been a while. So yeah, so let's get right to it. There's a math, a language arts, and an art. So let's get to the math. This stuff is heavy, guys. Okay, so this is their math right here, and it comes with a checklist. So this is the math purple course kit, and it has a checklist of all the things that comes with it. So it comes with the math 2D shapes. I didn't open this with them only because my daughter was trying to see what it was, and yeah. Oh, this is kind of nice. It has like all the 2D shapes and stuff. I didn't realize that. That's what yeah, so that's what they got. I want to see. Okay, so then he also got a math base 10 set. That's pretty cool. I like that. It comes with the tens, the ones, the hundreds, and then the thousands block as well. Oh my gosh, my head is getting cut out of the video. I'm gonna have to scoot the phone back a little bit. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. Yeah. And then it comes with these are snap cubes. It has red, blue, green, and yellow. And then these are the math 3D shapes. I haven't really taken it inside. So these are the math 3D shapes. And then it comes with a what is this? A place value mat. So it has the hundreds, the tens, the ones, and on the back it has the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. And it's a dry erase board, so you can wipe off and stuff. And then it got a book. This is the K-12 math. This is for him. This is the activity book. And then this is the lesson guide. This one's for me, so I can go through it and see what he'll be learning throughout the year. And it just has the unit to review and how many minutes he'll have online and how many minutes he'll have offline and what he's supposed to be learning that year. Okay, so let's put this back. Sorry, this is taking me quite a minute. I should have just put this on the floor. Okay, so the next one is going to be the language arts. This one's heavy. So it comes with a bubble wrap, and then also another list it comes with a K-12 language arts grab bag, and it comes with a stickers. This is for the accomplishment chart. You know, it comes with a K-12 classic for young readers, volume C, language arts activity book, book 1, language arts assessments, book 2, language arts assessment, book 1. And then this is the accomplishments chart, and it tells you for what he's accomplished, the spelling, the writing skills, vocabulary, literature, and comprehension, and then the grab, and then the units, I believe. Excuse my daughter, she's really wanting to come in here with me. This is the spelling handbook. This is the lesson guide, book 2. And then it has the glory of Greece. And then it has handwriting for 3rd grade. And this is an activity book, so he'll be able to like write in this one. I know in some of the ones, like the hard book covers, he won't be able to write in that. And this is my journal, and he'll get to place his picture here and his name at the bottom, and it's just picture activity book of little thoughts and just like an essay that he'll be able to write about, stories he'll be able to write in there. Language arts activity book 2, and this one he'll be able to write in as well. Level 3 George Washington K-12 World, and this is like a little magazine, and it just has and it talks about weather. So this is about weather. This is very interesting. And then the last but not least, it's another lesson guide book 1. So that is a lot of books for the language arts. I'm new to this, so let's see what I'm getting myself into. I'm sorry, it's a lot of books. I don't this photo, so okay. So the next box is art. It is art course kit for 3rd grade. This is the art print kit. How artists see families. How artists see work. And this is the students pages, semester 1 and 2, and I believe he gets to write in this one. Yeah, I believe so, because it's a yes. And then he has his paintbrush set, his oil pastels, clay, and a paint set, and paint brushes and all that good stuff in here. So that's going to be very exciting. And in a paint set, you can see the orange right there. I'm not going to open it only because it's going to get all over the place, but you know what, I'll just open it so I can show y'all. So these are the pastel colors. How do you open this? I've never used any pastel before. Okay, so they're like little pastels. That's how they look like. Yes, so then you put that back in here. And this is the clay. That's clay. I'm surprised they give them everything in this school. And these are the paint brushes, and this is the tempera, I don't know if I'm saying it right. The tempera paint And these are all the colors that they got. I mean, that he got, my bad. Okay, so moving on to the next. Okay, so moving on. So the other thing that he got in the box was I got a Texas coach for math. So I believe he gets to write in this, or it's a lesson practice, and then I just a lesson coach that I get to guide him through. And then this is a welcome kit. This is the Texas Virtual Academy by K-12. And then this is just a welcome kit. Welcome to your new school year, Texas Virtual Academy, and it just tells you how to prepare for your first day of school and how to get online and all that sorts of. And this is the decal would look great on your computer, so he'll be able to stick this on his computer. And they provide everything, so they provide like the computer and everything like that. And so on this box over here, he got the, for PE, he got a, let me open it. This is one of them that I didn't open. He got a jump rope. That's a jump rope. And then he got a, like a ball, a playground ball. And it has a pump, so you can pump it up. And then a stopwatch. No, this is not a stopwatch. This is how much, I think, it's a pedometer. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Sorry. Okay. So that's what we got for PE. Okay. Sorry, I got kind of distracted. Got a phone call. So the next box is the science. And this one has a lot more. So this is the science checklist. So we got rocks. We got 4 things of soil. No, 3 things of soil. He got coarse sand. He got gravel. He got steel wool. And this is a plastic bottle, 500 milliliters. He got protective gloves. You got a directional compass. We got sand, fine sand, 2 bags. He got a stopwatch. And he got another modeling clay. He got a thermometer. And this is how it looks like. And he got some books. So a walk in the rain forest, a walk in the prairie. He got The Moon Seems to Change. He got a walk in the deciduous forest, and then a walk in the tundra. He got Sunshine Makes the Seasons, level 2. A walk in the desert, and then a walk in the boreal forest. I don't know if I'm saying that right. My bad, guys. And then he also got a Come Learn With Me, Animals Without Backbones, Invertebrates. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot of books for science, but it's good. He has to read. Reading is very important. My bad if I'm all over the place. But reading is very, very important because I'll be doing a lot of experiments. So I'm going to open the next box that's got for science. So this is the other box that we got for science. It's not over. So this is so he got this liter, cylinder, liter. He got a magnetic, what is this? A magnet set. Oh wait, this isn't the right box. Oh no, it is. They put it in the wrong. Okay, that's weird. And then he got a beaker. He got a Newton spring scale, another universal thermometer. I don't know why they sent him another thermometer. And then they got a net, collecting net. That's very interesting. He got safety glasses. And this is very interesting. He got an intermediate rock and mineral collection. So this is the rocks right here. That's the names of the rocks, but these are the rocks. Very cool, very exciting. It's gonna be learning a lot this year with Mama. And I as well. Another beaker, 100 milliliters. A magnifying glass. That's cool. Oh my gosh, you saw that? That was my eyeball. Oh my gosh, that is so hilarious. And then in this box right here, he got a primary balance. That is very interesting. I don't know how that is to be. I don't know how to use. It's like a balancing beam. I don't know. I'm gonna be learning as he's learning as well. And I like that because he'll have me and I'll have him. Okay, so moving on to the next box. We're almost done, guys. One more box and that is it. Oh wait, there is this too that fell out of the box. The cork stoppers. Okay, so we have two more boxes. This is the history. It's a small box, not too big. So in history, this is what it looks inside. Air bubbles, another list, and this is all he got. He got a globe, inflatable globe that inflates, and then a US world folding map of the world, and then the US. You can hang that up above his desk that he'll be having soon. This is the mapping information, the inventors. Oh, my eye is itching. And then level 5 understanding geography. And I believe he'll be able, I don't know if he'll be able to write in this one. I'm not quite sure yet. But that is it for that. Let's see, I don't know what the other one is. Let's see. Almost done. The next one is, oh, this is music. Okay, I forgot he's going to be having music. So in music, he has just 4 things: a tambourine, a recorder, and then some rhythm sticks, And then a music reference guide that I will be guiding him through. So yeah, it's very interesting. Okay, and so last but not least, the laptop and the printer. So this is the printer. I kind of don't want to open the printer for y'all guys. Y'all know what a printer looks like, right? And this is the laptop. So it comes with a welcome packet as well. Okay, let me set that over here. And let me set this over here. Okay, so this is the laptop that they sent. And as I believe the laptops are not new, they're used. And it says right here, this loaner computer is school property and must be returned to K-12 upon replacement, request, or student withdrawal. So you will receive prepaid US labels when it's time to return the computer to K-12. And then this is what it looks like. It's just a laptop, guys. You know, just a simple, regular laptop. So then another thing that he got with it is a headset. Okay. And then the cable to connect to the internet. I think that's the internet. And then the cable for the computer to charge. And then this is the mouse that he'll be using with the computer. Yeah, guys, so that is everything that my son, my 3rd grader, got. This is what he received. Sorry guys if this is a very not a good video, but it's my first time recording and stuff. But if y'all want to know more about K-12, it's a free online school for kids from kindergarten to 12th grade. And I decided to do online learning this year because of coronavirus. And yeah, if y'all like this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and also, yeah, stay tuned for more videos with Prison Fam. I'm going to be doing another unboxing video for my 5th grader, and then I'm also going to do another unboxing video for my toddler. She's 3 years old, and she'll also be homeschooling. So I'm going to be very busy homeschooling this year. She's gonna, yeah, so those will be for another video separate. But I hope y'all really enjoyed this video, and come with sorry, I can't really talk. I hope y'all come and join my journey through my homeschooling and my life with my kids. And so yeah, just subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what y'all think of this video. I know it's not really good. I haven't recorded myself in so long, so it's kind of rusty, you know. Yeah, I know that. So yeah, I'll see y'all later, guys, and I hope sorry, I look kind of iffy, but I'll see y'all later, guys. All right, see y'all later. Bye.